How to remove third-party apps from Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove third-party apps from your Google account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on Google. And now here in this section, if you like, you can just tap on your Google account at the top, and after that a pop-up menu will appear with your another saved emails account or Google account. So there you can just confirm which account you want to delete third party apps from. Now here, once you're done with it, at the top you'll see two tabs. From there you can just tap on all services, and after that on the next tab you'll see the option labeled as connected apps. So just tap on it. Now here on the next page you'll see the list of all the apps that your account is currently linked with. So here you can just select the app or the service that you want to remove, and here after that on the next page you can just tap on delete all, and once you do that you can confirm your action by tapping on confirm again, and with that the selected app will no longer have access to your Google account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.